This was constructed by Maharana Kumbha. Rana Pratap was born here. Maharana Pratap, who fought the historic battle of Haldighati, and this cloud covered mountains are looking so beautiful. The temples are so good, but it is tiring. I am completely exhausted. And this is just like walking and walking, and still some of the temples are left. We went, I don't know, to far places. There were no other human beings there, and it was creepy too, so we came back. But this is beautiful. Just see, look at the clouds there. They are coming. It is going to rain now.